The world is great by dreams. Carbon neutralization, a great word, opens a great era. The National 14th Five-Year Plan of China clearly proposes to develop intelligent manufacturing, promote green building materials, and build a low-carbon city. More and more cities have started to build waste-free cities, focusing on the comprehensive utilization of solid wastes. Zero carbon from concept to dream. When solid waste recycling becomes a pain point for every city. The dream of zero carbon is carrying the sacred mission entrusted by this new era. Select. The vision is to promote the recycling of solid wastes and build a waste-free city efficiently. For more than 10 years, from the expert of brick production equipment system integration solution to the expert of solid waste recycling system solution. Select. Advocator of the concept of zero carbon city. Practitioner of zero carbon city policy. Leader of zero carbon city development. The essence of high-end manufacturing is world-class quality. Select drives its dream forward with high-end equipment. We never give up the adherence to quality on the way to pursue the dream of zero carbon. Our excellent R&D team is unremitting adherence to a great dream by the continuous scientific and technological innovation. We manufacture zero-carbon block-making equipment with high stability, high brick production capacity, and high energy conservation by using the world's top spare parts and advanced intelligent manufacturing technology, multidimensional innovation, taking the zero-carbon concept through the whole process of intelligent manufacturing and giving more environmental protection energy to the equipment. Our high-quality products made by intelligent manufacturing will help us to get closer to the dream of zero carbon. Our zero-carbon block-making machine with efficient operation and maintenance will also help our customers to make bricks and build roads with utilization of various construction wastes, tailing, chemical residues, river silt, various earthwork, and other bulk solid wastes, so as to realize the recycling of solid wastes. We provide our global customers with solid waste recycling system solutions, which can help them to create their maximum value. Establish friendly cooperative relationship with global first-class suppliers and end users. Create select zero-carbon ecological supply chain. Accompanied by innovations time after time, more and more our benchmark products have won the recognition of domestic and foreign markets. Select builds a project, a benchmark, and a zero-carbon city. Select work with global customers to promote the construction of zero-carbon cities. Science and technology realize value. Innovation achieve dream. Zero carbon is the starting point and mission. It's a dream and a goal. Select layout zero carbon dream territory. Zero carbon never ends. Dreams make the future.